Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a GPO group policy in a domain environment. As you know, there is policy like domain policy, OU policy, site policy. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply a policy to a OU. As you know, we can create plenty of OUs. And when we create this OU, we need to have some user in this OU. And when we apply a policy to a particular OU, that policy applies to the users that is in the OU. So here in this video, I'm going to create an organization unit and I move to MA user and apply a particular GPO. For this, I need to go to the Active Directory users and computers, and what I need is to create an organization unit. There is only one organization unit, as you can see, that is domain controllers, and I'm going to create a organizational unit. How can I create is go and click the domain name, and as you can see, this is organizational unit, and give a name. Here I'm going to name is accounts. Then as you know, there is no users there, so I have a username Samuel. Just I am trying to move to the accounts organization unit. So next session is I'm going to bring the group policy management console. There is a tool for group policy management in domain. So shortcut is gpmc.msc. Okay, you get the page. Then what you see is the domain like abc.local, and then you see, when you expand, you see if there is any organization units like accounts I created, and there is one more, there is domain controllers. And next you see domain group policy objects. What are the group policy objects they created? There is only two default policy: default domain controllers policy and default domain policy is there. These are the group policy objects already created in this domain. In this here, I'm going to create a new one. And name it. Here I name is control panel. That means I'm going to deny control panel. This object will have a setting to deny control panel. For this, I need to go ahead and change the settings for the control panel. Here, as you can see, there are two settings: configuration, computer configuration, and user configuration. Here I go to user configuration and then administrative templates, then control panel. As you can see, there is a settings name prohibit access to control panel and PC settings. If I enable it, no one can use control panel in that particular organization unit. You can read it. There is also the description given. So here I enable it. So once I enable it, that settings is added to that particular object. And then what I need is, I created these objects in the list, but what I need is to attach these settings to the accounts. Okay, then you need to update the group policy. For this, type gp update in cmd. So the settings is applied, and then move to a client PC. Like what I'm going to do is to moving to a client PC, and I'm just inputting the Samuel's credential, and I'm in. So what is going to prove is to this guy do not get control panel. As you can see, this control panel is prohibited for this particular user. If someone else is there in this account, he will have the same effect. Thanks for watching. That's the end of the video. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.